Hello, my name is Father Anthony Andriacity, and in addition to being the principal at Regis, I also am one of the teachers in the theology department. And I'm here to just give a brief overview to theology, the theology curriculum here at Regis. It's a 4-year requirement, so all students take theology for 4 years. We realize that the boys who come to Regis as freshmen come from all sorts of backgrounds in terms of exposure to Catholic education, teaching, practice too, within the family. So we take little for granted. We meet the boys where they are, and we hope that we can go deeper with them in their both intellectual exploration of faith, as well as making it real in their lives and in their hearts. We call it theology, and some high schools call it other things, but we really do see this as a thoughtful, mature reflection on Christian faith and what it means to be a Catholic. It's by no means a rote memorization of a catechism. While there is lots of content, of course, we hope through the work of our teachers that our students will reflect on all of this and hopefully go deeper and make it more meaningful, their faith, their relationship to Christ more meaningful, and how they see the world and how they act in the world. Just an overview of what the 4 years look like. In freshman year, there's an introduction to Catholicism, both faith and practice. Sophomore year is a study of the scriptures, both the Hebrew Bible and the Christian Bible. Most of all, of course, the Gospels, where we can come to know Jesus and his life and his ministry in its fullest form. Junior year is an introduction to Catholic ethics. And then senior year, students are asked to choose from a whole host of classes, each one being a different trimester. So for example, this year, we have a whole range of offerings of options to seniors, everything from biblical Christology to Catholics and the American political tradition, a course on environmental theology, Job science, and the question of death, religious themes in film, as well as the Ignatian way, an opportunity to come to know more about the Ignatian method of prayer and spirituality. There are 5 full-time teachers in the theology department and then several part-time teachers, myself included, as well as members of the campus ministry staff, who also work in tandem with the theology department, service, retreats, as sort of an overall approach to informing and educating both the mind and the heart, so that as part of our mission, we can really make strong Catholic leaders to go forth from Regis to set the world on fire, and how they have their faith have a real impact in the way they live their lives. There'll also be an opportunity during this open house to speak to a theology teacher if you'd like to go into more depth on these questions. And if so, I hope you take that opportunity. It was a pleasure to speak with you today. Thank you.